Hey there, curious explorers! Are you ready to dive into the chilly world of polar bears? Polar bears are some of the coolest creatures on the planet, literally, and there's so much to learn about them. Get ready to wiggle your paws with excitement as we uncover some fun facts about these amazing animals. Fun facts about polar bears, king of the Arctic. Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. They're like the big bosses of the Arctic, ruling over the icy lands with their majestic presence. Paws for swimming. Did you know that polar bears are excellent swimmers? Their big webbed paws act like paddles, helping them glide through the freezing waters of the Arctic Ocean with ease. They can swim for miles without getting tired. Blubber bonanza. Polar bears have a thick layer of fat under their skin called blubber. It keeps them warm in the freezing cold temperatures of the Arctic. It's like wearing a cozy winter jacket all year round. Snowy camouflage. Polar bears have white fur that helps them blend in with the snowy surroundings. It's like having the perfect camouflage suit for playing hide and seek in the Arctic. Nosy nibblers. Polar bears have an amazing sense of smell. Their noses are so powerful that they can sniff out a seal from miles away, even if it's hiding under layers of ice. Talk about having a super sniffer. Iceberg hoppers. These playful bears love to hop from iceberg to iceberg. It's like a fun game of leapfrog in the icy waters of their Arctic home. Who knew bears could be such good jumpers? Mama bears. Polar bear moms are super caring. They build cozy dens in the snow to give birth to their cubs, and they take good care of them until they're old enough to venture out into the wild. It's like having the best mom in the Arctic. Snowy sunbathers. Polar bears might live in the icy Arctic, but they love soaking up the sun. You might catch them lounging on a patch of snow, enjoying a sunny day just like you would at the beach. Sunscreen not required. Fishy feast. While polar bears are famous for hunting seals, did you know they also enjoy munching on fish? They'll patiently wait by a hole in the ice, ready to scoop up any fish that swim by. It's like having a tasty sushi buffet in their backyard. Sleepyheads. Polar bears are big fans of napping, just like you. After a long day of swimming, hunting, and playing, they'll curl up for a cozy snooze in their icy dens. It's the perfect way to recharge their bear batteries. Chilly chompers. Polar bears have some seriously strong teeth. Their sharp, pointed canines and powerful jaws help them tear through tough seal skin and chomp down on their favorite snacks. Watch out for those bitey bear kisses. Ice architects. When it comes to building snow forts, polar bears are pros. They use their powerful paws to dig deep into the snow, creating cozy dens where they can rest and raise their cubs. It's like having their very own Arctic castle. Big appetites. Polar bears have huge appetites to match their big bear bodies. A hungry polar bear can gobble up more than 50 pounds of blubbery seal meat in just one sitting. Talk about a bear-sized feast. Global travelers. Polar bears are adventurous explorers who travel far and wide across the Arctic in search of food and mates. Some polar bears have even been spotted swimming hundreds of miles from shore. It's like going on an epic polar bear road trip across the frozen seas. With these extra fun facts, you're now equipped to impress your friends and family with your polar bear knowledge. Keep exploring, learning, and sharing the wonder of these incredible creatures. Well, young adventurers, we've journeyed through the frosty world of polar bears and discovered some amazing facts along the way. From their impressive swimming skills to their snuggly blubber coats, polar bears are truly remarkable creatures. Next time you see a polar bear, remember all the cool things you've learned about them. Until then, keep exploring and embracing the wonders of the animal kingdom. Stay curious. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more exciting updates about Arctic animals. Until we meet again, next time, stay safe and bye.